Welcome! In front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, if your watch is turned off, you need to turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, go to your iPhone, make sure that you have an internet connection and the Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone, and in App Store tap on the search icon. Let's go back right here, cancel. Okay, tap on search. You should see this page, the search page. Now tap on the search bar, type in on where, and then tap search. You should see this application on the list, on where. Right here, tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. And after the application opens, you might get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions, and you can allow them or deny them. This is the notification permission, so if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Next we have the Bluetooth permission, and this one is required if you want to pair the devices, so I'm gonna tap on OK. And then we need to log in into account. You can also not log in, you can basically tap on other login mode, and here you can select registration free login or use the Apple account to sign in. But if you want to keep your data from your training sessions, heart rate and stuff like that, you need to make an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here and enter the email address. Also, I forgot to mention, if you don't have an account, you can also create one by tapping on here. No account, create. So if you don't have account, create one. If you don't care, you can use the login free option. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and then I'm gonna tap on login, and after I log in, or after you log in, after you're done, you should, or rather you may get the pop-up about more permissions like location. You can allow it or deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the application. Now, tap on the device icon right here. Then tap on this device, no device added banner. Then tap on click to search for devices, and this should prompt your phone to look for the nearby devices. And here we have it, our RNBE64-641 device. This is our watch right here. Tap on it to select it. Tap on pair, and you can allow or deny the permission for the location, or not location, notifications, my bad. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the device page for your watch. And this means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.